Welcome to another homework video, Core 3. So first, when we're looking at number 2, we have 3 different numbers. 1/8 serving, 8.05 calories, and then when we see per, that means 1. Even though it says French fries, we're going to go with Oreos. So I'm going to put my Oreos on top and my calories on the bottom. Of course, that 1/8 shoots up there with that 8.05, and that 1 is going to go in line with, you got it, Oreos. Cross multiply, I'm going to get 1/8 x, and then I'm going to cross multiply and I'm going to get 8.05. When I divide both sides by 1/8 x, I'm going to have x equals 64.4, and what did we just solve for? Calories. All right, let's move on to number 4. We see per again, which means 1, so that means 1 minute. I'm going to draw my little box of K, and that way I know that I am solving for K. So my minutes is my X, and my laps is my Y. Remember, to solve for K, we're doing Y divided by K. So 18 divided by 8 is going to give me 2.25, and all of these, I'm going to keep going, they're going to give me 2.25 all the way across, which means my K equals 2.25. They're all the same. It's a proportional relationship, which means Sarah runs 2.25, or that's 2 1/4 of a lap in 1 minute. Isn't she a fast runner? All right, let's move on to number 6. So right here we can see that we have 17 matches. It's wanting us to figure out that 17 matches. So I again am making my little box. I have my X and my Y labeled, and then I have my K. Y divided by X is going to give me my K. When I divide 196 by 7, I'm going to get 28. And you see I get 28 all the way down. So my K is 28. But we're trying to figure out that 17 matches. Matches is the same thing as games, so we're going to put that in line with the games and our question mark under the points. X's multiply, Y's divide. I'm doing 17 times 28. Remember, X's divide, Y's multiply. And I'm going to get 476. That is what I solved for, points Y. Alright, number 8 is pretty similar to what we just solved, which is going to give us another 14 servings. I'm putting my X on one side, my Y on the other, and as you see here, I am just seeing what lines up with my points that are on my coordinate plane. So I'm marking my spots, and then I'm going to go over across and go get my Y's. Alright, I forgot my decimal that first time, but it's 14.4, 28.8, so on and so forth. So when I get to this point, I like to extend my graph to create another side for my K. And remember, when I'm doing K, it's Y divided by X, and that's going to give me my K. When I do 14.4 and divided by 4, I get 3.6. And as you see, I get 3.6 all the way down, which lets me know it's a proportionate chart or a graph, and now I need to figure out my 14 servings. So is servings under the carbohydrate side or is servings under the X side? As you see, servings lines up with X, question mark under Y, X's multiply, Y's divide. So to rewrite that out, I'm doing 14 times 3.6, my constant, which, there you go. When I do that, I'm going to get 50.4. 50.4 what? Yes, you got it. We solved for that Y, which is carbohydrates. So I'm just going to put carbs just for short there.